My name's Jonathan with Nomadic Cooling over here at HQ3 in Glendale, Arizona. We are going to be unboxing the 95 DZ. Let's get into it. We have rugged construction. Fender frames protect the unit from damage. We have the convenient CFX3 app. It has temperature control and performance monitoring via, once again, the CFX3 app. The 95 dual zone is dual zone cooling. It has dual compartments with independent temperature control. It has a user-friendly interface with weatherproof, high-resolution user interface display operating status. It has flexible power options. It has a powered by AC 110 through 240 DC 12 or 24 volts. So let's cut to the unboxing part of this, where I unbox it and it will magically appear on the table. Are you ready, Kenny? How'd I do it, Kenny? Did you magically cut to where it was on the table, or did you do the thing where I took it out of the box? The 95, Kenny. This is the CFX 95 dual zone, not one zone, two zones, Kenny. We have refrigerator, freezer, freezer, refrigerator. Freeze, freeze, cool, cool. You put your drinks in here, put your ice cream over here. You see that, Kenny? It does all that. Robust design right here, okay? Handles on the side, Kenny. I got another handle on the side. Let's go through how this works, Kenny. Okay, I'm gonna go to set temperature. I'm going to go to the small guy. I'm gonna hit okay. And then I'm gonna lower this one down. Today, Kenny, I'm gonna make that one my freezer. I'm gonna lower that one to freezer zone. Look at it go down, Kenny. -8. Okay, I'm gonna go back to set temp. I'm gonna go to the other one. I'm at 28 Fahrenheit. Kenny, I gotta be honest with you. That's a little too cold for me. I gotta bring it up here to 33 for my drinkies. So what I'm planning on doing here, Kenny, let me go back to set temp. I'm going to go drinks on one side, ice cream in the other, okay? Drinks in the front, ice cream in the back, okay? This is where you start the night, and when you're eating yourself and all your feelings away, you're over here at this guy. Start, finish. I also want to point out here, USB charger, Kenny. Okay, let's see, Kenny, at the top, we've got about 35 inches. 21-ish, I'd say, 21-ish. And then, let's see, on this one, we got about the 19. Kenny will go ahead and put up what the actual measurements are, because I'm probably not all that good with my measuring abilities. Okay, so Kenny, same thing as before, as the 75 dual zone. This is the 95 liter dual zone, so I'm not so good with math. How many liters did we add? 20 liters? All right, so we've got one tray here in zone number 1, okay? And Kenny, underneath it, we've got a second tray, okay? So you've got basically a hidden compartment down here. If you want to hide your ice cream from people so they don't see it, you could put it down here at the bottom. This is a really good side to have the freezer in. And then this guy sits right on top. And then over yonders here, we have the big side, and it's divided. It has this fancy little divider in here. Now, the nice thing about the Dometic version of these portable refrigerators is that they have these baskets in here. So if you need to clean the inside of this thing, it's very easy to clean. And there's a little spigot at the bottom, and if you need to fill the thing with water and clean it out with a hose at a campsite. So this whole thing comes out. If you're like, oh, where's my broccoli? And it's down here at the bottom. You can just go ahead and pick it up, find your broccolis, and then put it back down. Sometimes I lose my broccoli, Kenny. And when you lose your broccoli, it's never a good thing. Now let's fill this bad boy up and see exactly how much stuff fits inside of here. and I'm back. All of that stuff fit inside the 95 dual liter by Dometic. Now here's the important thing, people. In my opinion, if you've got a Sprinter van and it's for the back, the 95 DZ is probably the way to go. If it's for the front of the van, you're probably looking at a 25 or a 35 to keep your drinks cold while you're driving, okay? 25, 35 for the front, 95 DZ for the back, 75, a little smaller. I'd probably go with a 95 just so you could throw a couple more gallons of ice cream in the back, okay? It's very important. If you'd like to keep your liquid death cold while you're on the road, do me a favor and consider the Dometic lineup of coolers that you can take on the go. As you know, they're mobile. And remember, if you want to go further in comfort with cold beverages, do me a favor and give Nomadic Cooling a call. That just came to me, Kenny. What do you think? Bye.